Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower. After departure, left turn southwestbound, wind is 340 at 5, clear to approach runway 30.
After departure, left turn out is turning down base and clear for slow approach, Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel. Thank you. Mayday, Mayday, this is Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel 2000. Heading down, engine just died at 2,000 feet. Please help me, 2,000 feet, two engines. The engine is completely died. I'm gliding right now to that speed. I'm heading inbound.
Foxtrot Delta Hotel, what area are you over?
I just left the zone right now. I'm looking at the Oshawa Tower, 173, gliding at 60 knots. Engine just died right now. There's a highway, there's a street here. I don't know if I should land here. I'm on the street here. Where should I land? God damn it.
Foxtrot Delta Hotel, just watch for traffic and land wherever you think you can safely land. And get in touch with me once you're down safely.
On the middle of the street. See this highway, I don't know, it's dying. It's dying this plane right now. You gotta be kidding me here. I'm very close to you, I'm entering the zone right now. I'm entering the zone.
Okay, Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower, roger. Do whatever you need to do to land safely.
Oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Where am I gonna land here?
Okay, from Golf Bravo Tower, clear to land 30.
I'm in the road here. There's some cars here. I need to land. God damn it.
Foxtrot Delta Hotel, land wherever you can safely, sir.